Thank you for joining me today as we explain another Python script where we will be implementing changes on network equipment. As network administrators, the market demands that we know a variety of tools to perform our tasks in a highly accurate and expedient manner. Today we're going to look at a script that will configure an enterprise network with NTP configurations, and acting as the network administrator for the service provider network, we will configure that network for NTP as well. First, we're going to look at the import section where we are installing the connect handler from the NetMiko library. Next, what we're going to do is build an empty list with a variable name of host info, and we are going to open we're going to open a target file which has all of our host names and build a dictionary. Before we build that dictionary, we're going to strip off the empty spaces, and at the end we are going to append the host file, the host info list. Now that we have that dictionary, we are going to assign a variable connection and call the NetMiko connect handler for all hosts, and issue the command connection and issue the function enable. That'll put us in the enable mode. Now we've assigned another variable send command, that's any name, our variable, and calling the calling our connection and the NetMiko send command, and supplying this command that we would like to issue at the router. Show IP route include gate. The information that will come back will be this type of output. At this point, what we're going to do is assign a variable for default gateway new. Could have been any name, could have been just default gateway, and we are now going to call the send command and strip out default gateway is and a blank space. That will leave us with just the IP address. Now we create our own variable again, and this time we're going to supply the string NTP server space and the contents of default gateway new, which is only the IP address. This is the string that is contained inside of NTP command. Now we are going to rewrite the contents of the send command, and we are going to call NetMiko connection with the function send config set. It's a set, and its contents are what's inside of NTP command, which is all of this, and then that will be followed by a command end and the command write to save the config. Again, this is a send config set. We do have an except function in here, which if the connection did fail for any and each of the routers that did fail, would send a message to the console screen. At this point, what we're going to do is we're going to I wanted to demonstrate that we do not have an NTP configuration on here. We're going to run this script. You'll see it running down here. We do have debug IP SSH configured on the router so that we see the connection, and here we can see that it issued the command. It did an end and a write. We can see that that took place in 1.4 seconds, and so we're able to verify it by seeing the connection come in at the router, and we see that it ran the script over on the console, and now we see that NTP is configured. So this will conclude today's demonstration, and we look forward to providing more examples of Python scripting to help you improve the skills that you need. Also, I'd like to say that if you like the video, please hit the like, and we welcome any comments in the comments section. I would like to say again, thank you.